This is Unit 1, Lesson 10, and the title of Lesson 10 is Composing Figures. So compose means to create or make. So we're going to make some figures or compose or create some figures in this lesson. This is Activity 1. It's called Angles of an Isosceles Triangle. Now this is an isosceles triangle, and an isosceles triangle has two equal sides and two equal angles. And you're going to prove through a rigid transformation, actually a couple of rigid transformations, that angle B is in fact equal to angle C. And so the first thing that you're going to do is take the triangle and reflect it over this line AB. To do that, you have to figure out what the how to move point C in a perpendicular direction, means at a right angle to this line segment AB, and it's going to end up on an equal distance on the other side. So reflection means to flip the point over the line of reflection or the figure and have it match up to an equal distance on the other side of that line of reflection. So that point is perpendicular. That's where if you connect those that point to C, it's going to form a right angle. So it's perpendicular. So you move the point to the other side, an equal distance on the other side, and you get C prime. Now the angle of C prime does equal angle C because that's the definition of a rigid transformation. You're moving it through a plane and nothing changes. The sides don't change, the angles don't change, they all remain the same, so they are congruent, they are the same. So since we just went through a reflection, angle C prime does equal angle C. So angle C prime equals angle C. And so now we're going to rotate this triangle so that C prime maps to B. Well, if that's true, if we rotate it and it maps exactly to B, that means that C prime is in fact equal to B. So we can rotate it and it matches up. So angle C prime does equal angle B. Well, what that means is that then angle B is equal to angle C. So we have proven that now through a series of rigid transformations. An isosceles triangle has two side lengths that are the same and two angles that are equal or congruent.